What's up, Play with Paddy fam? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video we are playing what's that game called again? Snoring. Yeah, Snoring. Part 4. This is the episode 4 in Snoring. I really love this game so much, and I bet you guys also love it too. And yeah, Play with Paddy fam. This game is very fun to play. I'm playing it on ABC Fall. Yeah. My nostalgic childhood Snoring game has become very popular in our YouTube channel, so why not do a part 4? And I want to tell you guys some of my personal interests, which I haven't told you guys yet. My favorite song currently is "Far From Average" by Rico Cartel. Rico Cartel is an underground artist who's currently signed and working to Jordan Film It and 100K Management. And yeah, Play Paddy fam, while I keep playing the game, I will add some music, and yeah, see you on the next video. Peace everybody.